Test, 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 test. Okay, so let's hear. What is up, you guys? Stevie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So real quick before we get into today's video, as you guys can see, this is a kind of like new set. We are officially moved into the new apartment, and so much of you guys are asking for that apartment tour, interior design video. I swear to God, that video is coming very soon. But for today's video, we're gonna kick things off with another round of my recent pickups. So this recent pickups video, I definitely wanted to focus on some footwear options for you guys. I've been just really collecting a ton of well, not a ton. I got 3 pairs for today's video. I got a pair of sneakers, a pair of boots that I'm really excited to share with you guys, as well as a pair of Oxfords. I've been really just trying to update and kind of elevate my personal shoe game and really try to incorporate some different things in my, again, footwear options and sneaker rotation. So with that being said, I'm super excited to be bringing you guys today's video. And not to mention, I'm really liking this new set that we're up in, the new apartment and stuff like that. So if you are excited for that apartment tour, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, at the end of the video, be sure to drop me some love in the comments down below. But yeah, for today's video, just super casual recent pickups, but with a focus on footwear and shoes. Without further ado, sit back, get cozy. If you aren't already, follow me on Instagram. Just my name, I'll throw it up on the screen right here. Enough rambling, let's get into today's shoe haul / recent pickups video. All right, you guys, so as I mentioned, I got 3 pairs of footwear options for today. So starting off with a pair of sneakers that I picked up, it is these New Balance 1993s in the all gray colorway. Just uploaded my updated kind of sneaker and boot collection for 2020, and so many of you guys in the comments were recommending this shoe right here. And you know, granted, I did see this shoe a ton of YouTubers, bloggers, and all of that stuff. Everyone always sports this shoe right here, but low-key, I never really understood the hype with it. Don't get me wrong, it is a very nice shoe, but it does come with a pretty steep price tag in my opinion. But after owning it and kind of styling it and just walking around in them, I can 100% understand why you guys were recommending this shoe right here. Again, these New Balance 1993s are so comfy. I honestly think that these are probably my new favorite pairs of shoes. And if you guys already know what it is, that's a bold statement for me, because you guys already know I'm always up in my Balenciagas. I always stick to my Nike P6000s. Low-key, this shoe right here is definitely the epitome of a casual flex. The casualness mixed with the sporty elements. There's a ton of different types of fabrics used. We got some suede up in here. There's some mesh, and there's a couple of 3M bits around the actual shoe itself. And yeah, overall, it is just a super comfy shoe. And if you guys are regulars here, you already know what it is. I'm always about my tonal vibes. So I styled this shoe right here with just an all gray outfit. And yeah, I'm really feeling it. And not to mention, again, it's super comfy. If any of you guys are interested in this, I would say that to stay true to size. So I'm usually a size 9.5 in Nike, Adidas, just all shoes around. But someone told me to size down on this. So I copped a size 9, and granted, I 100% believe that I could. It works for sure, but I think I could have used a 9.5. Overall, super solid shoe, and I can't wait to get some outfits going with this. So that's why you guys have to follow me on my Instagram. Put it right here again, shameless plug. You already know what it is. Shoe option number 2, I have a pair of Chelsea boots. But before we get into this pair of Chelsea boots right here, I just kind of want to give you guys a little bit of context as to why I'm really messing with this shoe right here. So if you guys have been keeping up with fashion and stuff like that, you would know that chunky sneakers 100% are still here to stay, and it's probably always going to be here or at least for a while. A really big trend as of late is chunky boots, and there's this one specific boot that I've been really wanting, and it's a pair from Bottega Veneta, and it's these really tall, chunky black, again, just very not obnoxious, but it's a very loud and interesting pair of Chelsea boots. And that's kind of the vibe that I've been seeing lately. And you guys already know I'm just the type of person that sticks to what I like. But as I mentioned in my intro, I'm definitely trying to step outside of my comfort zone and just elevate my overall looks in general. But with that being said, the Bottega boots are definitely come with a steep price tag. Kind of wanted to find a cheaper alternative for that particular boot, and I 100% believe that with this Chelsea boot right here, I found not only an affordable version, but I found something that's very similar to it, and low-key something that may or may not be just a little bit better, if that makes any sense. So with that being said, shoe number 2 are these brand new Chelsea boots from KOIO. It features a really, again, chunky sole on the bottom. The actual boot does come up pretty tall on the side, which is something that I really like. Again, that's kind of the look that I was trying to go for and trying to achieve. And yeah, I believe these these are in the charcoal gray color. Suede feels so nice and like soft to touch, and it feels like a quality pair of boots, but at the same time they're lightweight and they're super comfy to walk in. I love how tall it comes up on the side. I love the fact that the elastic parts on the side as well go all the way down. I don't know, like I personally don't like Chelsea boots that the elastic part only goes like halfway, or it doesn't, you know, it just doesn't look nice. But again, these KOIO Chelsea boots right here are definitely where it's at. I also really do like the right amount of pointiness that they did with the toe bit, and yeah, overall again it's just a really nice pair of Chelsea boots that again feel nice. I really do like the charcoal gray because it's something different from the traditional black, but it's not leather. You guys already know what it is. I'm all about like mixing like casual and dressy items. These guys do come with a slightly steeper price tag, but I think it's kind of one of those things, you know, if you feel like you're gonna get a lot of wear out of it, and if you're just looking for a really nice, again, quality pair of boots, I would highly recommend these KOIO ones right here. They also come in a chocolate color as well, so if you guys don't like the gray color, you can offer the chocolate one. And I can't confirm this, but I really do hope, at least I hope, that they come out with more colors like black, and I hope they come out with more materials as well. Like I would love to see this shoe in an all leather kind of vibe. I think that would be super sick. With that being said, much love to the team over at KOIO for sponsoring this video. Again, if you guys are interested in any of the things mentioned or worn in today's video, I'll have that linked in the description box down below, and these KOIO boots will be the first link in my description box down below, so check it out. And yeah, I'm just telling you guys, chunky boots are definitely where it's at right now, so I would highly recommend this pair right here. And then the last shoe for the shoe haul slash pickups is another interesting pair, well, at least in my opinion, and at least for me. I've been on the hunt for like a really good pair of chunky Oxfords, and I'm personally just not a fan of the one from Dr. Martens. I don't know, I think just like the toe part is, again, it's a little too round. In my opinion, I feel like if it's not styled right, it kind of goes clown very fast. But that's just my opinion. I know like some people, like a couple of my homies, like they do that shoe right, like, but me personally, like I just can't do it. But with that being said, I still kind of wanted to find an Oxford that would fit my personal style, and I believe I found it. So this pair of Oxfords right here is a pair from ZARA. As you guys can see, it's just a standard, again, pair of black faux leather Oxfords. It features a really nice chunky sole at the bottom, which is again something I really like and I was looking for when I was trying to find a pair of these types of shoes. And another interesting detail with these shoes right here is it comes with double laces. So as you guys can see, it just has the black laces, but then it also comes with an extra pair of black, and I believe it's like a yellow greenish colorway. You can wear both of the laces at the same time, or you can just wear one at a time, but I kind of like wearing both at the same time, especially when you just pair it with like an all black outfit. I think that the nice kind of subtle pop of an additional color really just breaks up the outfit, and it just kind of adds a little bit more interest and stuff. Definitely feel nice to wear like on the foot, if you know what I mean. Even though it's not real leather, it still feels like nice and buttery. And yeah, overall, I've been trying to elevate my looks. I've been trying to just try new things, especially come through with different types of vibes for you guys. And I do think that if you guys are interested in like Oxfords and stuff, I'd highly recommend this one right here from ZARA. But like ZARA in general just has a ton of bangers, so I would highly check it out if you're interested. But overall, I really do like this one. If you guys have any recommendations for like Oxfords and stuff isn't Dr. Martens, let me know in the comments down below. All right, you guys, and that is it for my recent pickups slash like shoe haul slash just a couple of footwear options that I've been really enjoying as of late. Much love once again to the team at KOIO for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. If any of you guys are interested in checking out the KOIO Chelsea boots, I'd highly recommend it. Like I said, great quality, lightweight, and comfortable on the feet. And overall, in my opinion, I just believe it's a nice banger of a casual flex option when it comes to kind of like Chelsea boots. The KOIO Chelsea boots will be the first link in my description box down below. Check them out and go show them some love. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little chatty. I only featured 3 things, so that's kind of why I wanted to give you guys a little bit more context about everything that I was talking about. Definitely drop a comment down below and let me know which kind of like footwear option was your favorite. Did you like the New Balances? Did you like the KOIO Chelsea boots? Did you like the ZARA Oxfords? Let me know. And if you guys have just like any more options and any more recommendations about like some shoes that I should check out, comment those down below as well. But yeah, I think that's it. Again, apartment tour coming soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you're trying to see that video, because I really want to know like y'all are trying to see this video right now. So yeah, I think that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.